attitude sucker. No. What?
What? Put it in my dance. Turn it around so we can look at you.
No, I don't want to.
Jamie Martin. Come on, jump in the corner. Better not. Oh no, it's not deep. Get out of that water, cause you're gonna get electrocuted.
There's a storm coming.
Are you the weatherman? I got some Christmas lights over your tree.
Because he likes to have it like
You need to make a planned video.
that.
No. You should catch it when I'm trying to catch the water. Come on, let's make a
Turn this off.
video presentation.
Whoa! Look, it's a beauty! You see it?
This one? Oh.
The frog.
The troll ants here!
Oh!
She's paying attention to me.
I got cut.
The trail ends right here.
Oh no!
Spot. Maybe not.
Oh no!
Turn this off, dude. When the
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
I got my Romeo on the...
No, have it forward.
We have to get in carefully.
Okay.
Maybe you should try it with like George Burger.
Oh no.
Why do you